getting some pretty loud thunder. I don't know if you could hear that.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 11 o'clock p.m. At 8:50 p.m. Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing strong winds to nearly 50 knots from northerly island to 22 nautical miles southwest of Calumet Harbor, moving east at 40 knots. These thunderstorms will be near Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake around 9:10 p.m. Gary to Burns Harbor in around 9:10 p.m. Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana around 9:20 p.m. Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake around 9:30 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.